In this video, we'll be talking about the top 2 AI tools that can help you to convert your old video into a brand new video with a different texture with just a simple clicks. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and before that, please subscribe my channel if you like this kind of video. So coming to the video, the RunwayMl.com. So you just have to go on RunwayMl.com. Here the main product of this website is to convert your images from text, but they have also launched a different product, that is the video editor using Gen 1. So you can click on here to get request access, and when you click that, you will go to this page where you can see their promotional video and how the Gen 1 exactly works. You can click on any of this link to get request access and the Gen 1 explanation and join their Discord server. So as you have seen the trailer, you can see there are a lot of things that Gen 1 can do, and in this video we will explain that what they can do. So according to their title, no light, no camera and no action. It is true. As you can see, there are 5 modes. The first one is the stylization. In this mode, you can give a different texture photo and your video, and it will convert your video in that same texture. Like you can see in this example, there a man which is converted into some cartoon characters with the same actions. The number 2 is the storyboard. Using the storyboard, you can convert simple objects into a cool video lifestyle. For example, you can see that these boxes are converted into very wonderful buildings that you can use in your video. So you don't have to do some expensive setups or anything, big camera and lights and all. You can just do this with your home gadgets. But the third mode is the mask. Like you can see this video, it is applied on a moving object like a dog, and this AI feature can spot the moving objects also and mark accordingly. The fourth mode is render. In this mode, you can turn untextured renders into realistic output that you can generate from tools like blenders and all. You can just generate it with one click from some simple video and apply an input image or prompt. The fifth mode is the customization. Here you can see in this video, this man's image is converted into cartoon one, and you can simply see how smooth the transition is, and it is doing the exactly insane things. So these are the power of the Gen 1. So this is the power of Gen 1 AI that RunwayML is using. You can get their early access by requesting access, and you can also read their documentation on Gen 1 Explain and the paper things. And you can also join the Discord server if you get any doubt while using their video editor or anything. The second number tool is the Descript, that it can convert the text into audio. This is not a simple feature like in most of the tools. You can get some pre-ordered voices and some robotic voices that can be converted from text. But in this tool, you can convert the text into your own voices. So you don't have to worry about anything wrong in the voiceover or anything. You can do this with these powerful AI tools, and it is also budget friendly. Like most of the tools of this kind are very high budget and they have a very high pricing. But Descript you can use as a student also, or as a professional video editor also. So which one of this tool you will use first? Comment down below. And if you want to know more about the Gen 1 AI and what are the challenges that AI will give us in the future and what are the jobs that are in danger, then you can watch this video. Other than that, you can watch this video. So if you have liked this video, then do like and share it with your friends. And if you want this type of content,